Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Charlie Tech How To video. And today I'm going to show you how to write some simple basic HTML. Now this is going to be the first episode, and there will be about 5 episodes in the series, and I'm just going to show you how to make a simple web page. And then after that, I'm going to tell you how to upload it to the internet so everyone can see it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is make a new folder called My Website. Now, you're just going to open that up right there, right click on it, hit New, Text Document, and open that up. Then what you're going to do is click File, Save As, type All Files, and type in index.html. Once that's saved, you can X out of that and delete the new text document. Then open up index. This is going to be our first page of our website. This is going to be the home page. Now I recommend using Notepad++. It's a free download. I'll leave the link in the description, and you can just go ahead and download that, and that's what I'm going to use with this video. Helps you out a lot. It's basically just a text editor for coders. Alright, so the first thing you're going to type is left arrow, HTML, right arrow. That's your starting line for every single page, unless you're doing PHP, which I might do a video on in the future. Next, you're going to type left arrow, center. This means whatever's inside this will go into the center of the page. Alright, hit enter again, then type in left arrow, font, size, equals, sorry about that, and then as you can see, once I do a double quote, it makes 2 quotes. That's a nice feature about Notepad++. Now you're going to type inside there 20, which is going to be our homepage title font size, and then right arrow. Then you're going to type in your title that you want, so I'm just going to type in Charlie's Tech How To Blog, and then do /font, and then hit the right arrow. Now, whenever you do a slash, that means it's ending it. You always need to end it, or this font is going to carry on for the rest of your code, and it's not going to look good. So you always need to end it by putting slash. It's no different than this, but with a slash. Okay. Now you're going to save that. Right click on index and click open with Google Chrome or whatever browser you have. And we'll just pull that up here. As you can see, it'll say Charlie's Tech How To Blog. Now, this is your first HTML page. Congratulations. Now, before I end this video, I'm going to show you a few more things. Remember, these videos are going to be short because I need to leave content for the next videos. So what you're going to do is you're not going to end the center, not yet. You're going to type in A space href. Now, you may be thinking, what the hell is this? This is a link. Now, don't worry about remembering this stuff, because there's a lot of resources on the internet that you can look at. But this, just remember, this is a link. Okay? Alright. Now, you're going to put double quote, and you're going to type in these quotes, you're going to type in about.html, then you're going to go over here, and you're going to hit right arrow. Now, you're going to type in what you actually want it to display. It's not going to display about.html. You want it to display something like about page, right? So we're going to type in that. And you can do whatever you want for this. You don't have to follow me along. You can do, your own page or anything. And so then after that, you're going to do /a to end it. And there you go. Hit save. And then once you boot into your index, or you can just reload it, it'll say that. Now you're wondering, why isn't it below that? I put a space right here. Well, that's the thing. In HTML, you have to tell the computer that you want it to have a space. So to make a space, you're going to do left arrow P, right arrow. That's a space. I don't know why it's a P, but it is. So just save that, and as you can see when you reload, your About page link will be down here. Now when you click on your About page link, it says this web page is not found. That's because we haven't created it yet. Now, just go into your My Website folder. Now, this is where the actual folder comes in. If you don't have a folder, and you're just trying to make this without a folder, it's not going to work, because it's not going to be able to find your other pages from your index page, because it doesn't know where to look. And so you're going to have to make a My Website folder, which will be called a directory later on when we're making a web server. Okay, so you're just going to hit New Text Document and open that up. And we're going to do it. It opened up in WordPad. We are going to open that up with Notepad. Oh, it's doing this weird thing. So just open it up with Notepad. I don't know why it did that. And I made a rich text document. Don't want to do that. Okay. Make a new text document. Open it up. File, save, and we're going to do exactly what we did last time. We're going to do save as, type all files, and then name it as about.html. Make sure you name this the same thing that you directed your link to in the other page. So if I'm going to put about.html here, then I'm going to have to put about.html as the file name. Now this isn't going to show up. It's just behind the scenes. So click save, and let's quickly edit up the about page. So let's just write HTML, center, and then let's make the font a little smaller just to show that it's not the home page. So do font size equals, and then quotes, and then I'm going to do 10, and then arrow, and then let's type in, I don't know, about page, about my site, and then do /font. Make sure you end it, and you're also going to have to end the center because we're done with this page for now, and end the HTML. Okay, now once you save that, you reload, bam, about my site. Now if you go back to your home page and you click on the link, it takes you to about my site. Now, you're wondering, Charlie, how do you make forward and back arrows so your people know where to go? Well, I'll show you how to do that in the next video, so stay tuned. This is going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video to learn more about HTML. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe.